welcome back to my channel. My name is Tania. You can find me online as VolverVintage. Today is day 19 of Vlogmas, and I'm so excited for today's video because it's in collaboration with Chelsea over at Monarch Alley. First, I just want to say thank you so much to Chelsea for agreeing to being part of this Vlogmas episode with me. We are doing a reseller swap box. Essentially what we did is went to our local honey hole and shopped a haul, and we are gifting it to each other. I met Chelsea through Becky Park on Poshmark's reseller course. She was part of one of her mentorship classes, as was I. And in Becky Park's mentorship classes, we did a lot of collaboration. So that's initially how we worked together. I just love her style, personality. I feel like she picks a lot of the same stuff that I do, but she also experiments with hard goods and vintage, which is what I like to do. So it's really refreshing to see a part-time reseller that's out there taking risks, who's easygoing and super relatable. So thank you so much again, Chelsea, for agreeing to this collab video with me. Again, this is just for fun. It's not a competition. I went and sourced her items at the swap meet, which is one of my favorite places to source. So go ahead and check out her video to see what I sent her. And I'll link her video up above in the card as well as in the description box down below. Here's the box, and I'm so excited to unbox it. And everything is going to be available in my Poshmark closet for sale if you're interested in purchasing any of the items that she gifted me to resell. So if you're interested in these kinds of videos, and if you're interested in finishing out Vlogmas with me, I will be posting videos every day up until the 25th. Here's what the box looks like, and I feel like we have such similar. It's so funny because like we've never met in person. We've only met like digitally and like via DM, and I feel like we have very similar eye when picking, because I think I picked like the same items for her. So this is what the box looks like, and I already see some fun vintage items. Well, Chelsea lives in Illinois, so I'm just so curious as to what items are available in other parts of the country. Look at this vintage sweater. This is a vintage Lacoste wool sweater. I love the colors. I think I want to keep it. A Campus La Tigre, 70% wool, 30% polyester, made in the USA. I love this. I would pick this up for myself. If it doesn't fit me, honestly, I'm going to list this over on my Etsy. One of my goals for 2023 is to get my Etsy back active. So this will fit perfectly in that. So thank you so much for this, Chelsea. Oh, this is so cute. This is a vintage Christmas apron. How cute! It doesn't have a label, but I think it's like most likely, oh, here it is. Gourmet Gallery. Super cute. I love this. I feel like Christmas items sell year round, and they still sell well into like January, February, because a lot of people, especially like me, start sourcing now for next year. So I'm still gonna list this. And I'm going to list it on my Etsy as well because it's vintage. Item number 3 is this Stonehenge. Ooh, this cropped Stonehenge sweater. It's a souvenir sweater. The brand is Comfort Colors. It's a size small. Super cute. I love the mint green color. Item number 4. I saw the label and I was like, so cool. I love vintage jeans. Super high rise. Mom jeans. I think they're kind of boot cut too. Well, no, like straight leg. I love these. I feel like these accentuate your bum so well. Thank you so much, Chelsea. Yeah, these I'm definitely going to list over on my Etsy. Super cool. Yeah, item number 5 is a t-shirt. Oh, Lululemon. Dude, I live in California and I never find Lululemon. Maybe because I live more in like the suburbs. But you would think you would find Lululemon in the suburbs. But it's rare when I find Lululemon. Like, you know what I find a lot of is Zumba gear. And Zumba gear used to like sell well for us. But I don't know, I feel like Hispanic population, because I live in a heavily like Latino community. There's like a Zumba on every other corner. There's a Zumba and there's an Herbalife. But like Peloton, Lululemon, I rarely find those brands. Athleta, rarely find Athleta. In my neighborhood, I find a lot of Gold's Gym, a lot of Zumba, and a lot of like Planet Fitness t-shirts. But so cool. I love whenever I find Lululemon. Thank you so much. And then last item is a little hard good. Oh my God, these cute little Siamese cats. I love selling little hard goods, but I think I'm going to keep this. So I'm cheating. I'm not reselling this haul. I'm keeping these little cats for like my curio cabinet. And actually, she wrote me a note. And I found the note at the bottom. Tanya, thank you for the opportunity to collaborate. This is so fun. And I love your channel / Chelsea. And here's her card. Thank you for shopping Chelsea Monarch Alley. I love her little business card. I need to get something like this for my orders. But here's her card. Super sweet. Thank you so much, Chelsea, for agreeing to collaborate on this video with me. I love your eye. I love the vintage picks, the Lululemon, of course. I love picking up like souvenir sweaters like that. And the little Siamese cats are so cute. These are staying in my home. So that's it for today's video. Oh, actually, I got this sweater from Chelsea. So Chelsea has been hitting it hard on Posh shows, and she's also doing Whatnot shows. And I bought this little zebra sweater, like cardigan from her. Check her out on Instagram. She's always, I think she's doing a show, a live show, either on Posh Show or Whatnot once a week. And she does a lot of like hard goods. She does a lot of like vintage. Her prices are always very reasonable and fair. Make sure to go to her channel and check out her video to see what I sent her. That's it for today's video. If you're interested in any of these items, they're available now. Go ahead and click on the links in my description, and I'll see you tomorrow with more Vlogmas. Bye.